Now, we all know that when it comes to social media, the most important thing is to capture your audience attention right away. And there's no better way to do that than having a great initial frame, image, or even a thumbnail if you're talking about something like YouTube. Now, if you're like me and you just don't have a lot of time, you don't want to have to hire a designer, or you're just not that graphically talented, this is where AI can step in and actually help you out. Now, there's a lot of programs out there that can do this, more notably things like Canva or even Microsoft Designer. There's a plethora of them out there, but this one is actually my favorite. And here is the best thing: it is totally free. So let me show you how I can create a thumbnail for my social media videos really quickly that are going to actually capture a lot of attention and get a lot of views. Here we go. All right, so previously I shared with you how I use Google Gemini to create really catchy titles for social media videos or just social media content in general. And I'm going to go back there and we're actually going to use the title to help create the thumbnail. Now I'm creating a thumbnail for YouTube, but this is applicable to anything. I'm going to show you something really cool at the end. So as you can see, I'm right here in Adobe Express, which is totally free. So if you are not on the Canva bandwagon, I think Adobe Express is a really great free alternative for creating catchy thumbnails and initial images for your social media content. All right, so let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to go back to Google Gemini where I crafted my title, and it's called Unlocking YouTube Success: How I Use Gemini to Craft Viral Titles. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and now I'm going to go back into Adobe Express. All right, so here I am, and it says search for content or generate your own. Now, as you can see down here, it gives you a bunch of different choices: Instagram Reel, anime characters, presentations, Instagram Story. I'm just going to simply type in here YouTube, and here it is, YouTube thumbnail right here. So I'm going to click on that. It's getting everything ready. Ooh. All right, so right here you can see that it's giving me a general open template, but you know what, I don't want to spend all this time kind of designing it, so I'm going to hit generate a template right here. All right, so there you go. You can see that it now has a YouTube thumbnail. It says, what do you want? So I'm going to type in a thumbnail. Oops. Oops. A thumbnail for, and all I'm going to do is simply paste the title that I copied earlier. Now, you don't have to upload an image, but I like to upload an image because I like to kind of keep my branding consistent. So I'm going to choose one of my really cool photos that I created with my image generator. And let's see, what's a good one here? Let's use this one right there. Now let's use this one right there. So I'm going to open that. It's going to upload that. And now all I have to do is click on generate. Let's see what happens. There you go. Look how awesome those thumbnails are. And that took all of about 10 seconds maybe. All right, so what's really cool is I can go through these and click one that I really like, and I can also see variations. All right, so I kind of like the black background, but I've been experimenting with different colors and layouts for my thumbnail to see which ones grab the most attention. I'm finding that the brighter colors like yellow, red tend to get a little bit more attention. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one, which is a little different than what I usually do. Now I want to see some variations. I'm going to click on that and let's see what else it makes. Because I noticed that in the title it did not put Gemini, but I want that for SEO purposes. All right, so unlocking success with Gemini titles. Learn more. Mastering click-worthy headlines, expert strategies, unlocking secret success, unlocking success tips, viral titles. Watch now. You know what? I think I'm going to go with that one. So simply click on it. And now if you don't really want to make any changes, all you have to do is download it. So right there, I can click download and it will now download that title for me. Now, check this out. This is what is really cool. So if I click download, excuse me, now look what it did. It actually said, take what you made even further. How cool is that? I can make an Instagram square post, an Instagram story. So if I simply click on this, it's actually going to change the layout automatically and give me the correct orientation with the design that I can use on another social media. How freaking awesome is that? So, all right, so we're all finished with the thumbnail creation. I had actually created one a little earlier, and this is what it looked like. Let me share it with you. I really like that one, so that's the one I'm going to use. Now, I'm going to give a tutorial a little bit later on a tool that I use to help me SEO optimize my videos, and that is actually called vidIQ. I'll get into it a little bit later. But as you can see, I have my title right here, Unlocking YouTube Success, how I use Gemini to craft viral titles. I also wrote the explanation that is also SEO optimized, and as you can see here, now this is YouTube specific. It actually auto-generated a thumbnail for me. Now, I don't particularly like that thumbnail. And then along with vidIQ, so this was generated by YouTube. This one was generated by vidIQ. And like I said, I'll do a more lengthy tutorial on that later. But I didn't really like any of those. As you can see, I created one inside of Adobe Express. And now I'm going to simply upload that. And here we go. Let's open that. And there we go. Craft titles, viral contact, Gemini strategy, unlock success. That is freaking awesome. And as you can see, this is really cool. I've been optimized 84 out of 100 using vidIQ. Like I said, I'm going to get into that in another tutorial, but it has fastly become one of my favorite tools. And there you go. I've got the title, I've got the description, and I have the thumbnail, all created with the aid of AI. Hope this was helpful. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube at ARP Visuals. You'll know it's me because I've got the crazy colors in my banner, my logo, and all that stuff. So at ARP Visuals on all social media platforms. And as always, peace and God bless.